Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a work profile on Android phone. So here I've already on my Android phone, and you can start by going to the settings on your phone and then just find the Google settings in here. So scroll down and tap on this Google. And next you can just scroll down again and tap on this setup and restore. And there will be this option to set up your work profile, so click on that. And here your work profiles keep your work app separate and is managed by your organization, so it might be right for you to set this up if you are working on a company who use Google in the system. And to finish the setup, you'll need a code from your IT admin, and a management tool will be downloaded and used by your IT admin to manage your work profile. So after that, you can just click on next, and make sure that you've already contacted the IT admin from your company, and just wait until the downloading process is finished. Okay, so this is the device policy that you need to download before setting up your work profile. Okay, so here after you need to scan or enter the code provided by your IT admin. If you cannot scan the code, you can also enter the code manual. Here at the bottom there will be this option, enter code manually, and you can just type in here, and after that you can click on next and your work profile will be created. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.